back on the Peugeot partner. Today I've got going to put down a bit of carpet in this boot thing. Well, it's not carpet actually, it's a what is it? It's an entrance runner from Aldi's actually, which obviously it's made to wipe your feet on, so it should be quite easy to clean. The mat that I got before from Aldi's just isn't big enough. I didn't bother measuring it because that's not my style, but this is big enough. It was marked up at $12.99, but when I took it to the counter it was only $7.99. So yeah, so we're going to put that there, and then we're going to put the table leg on. So let's get that started now. Move that out of the way. Okay, that's the gap we're working with. So I'm just going to take some measurements and cut a bit of that to go in there. I might end up putting some edging strip around the side just to hold it in place. It has been suggested to me to use lino, which I'll see how I go with this, because I've got this anyway. If it gets too messy, I'll just put a bit of lino in there. It'd be removable anyway. I've got one of those carpet cleaners, one of those Vax spot washers, so if it gets a bit muddy I can just take it out and wash it with one of them anyway. Let's whack a bit in there. Right, I'm going to chop the angled corners off first, then take my measurement so it'll be square and I won't have the angled corners on there. It's all marked out. There we are. Nice little bit of carpet in there. Well, I say carpet, it's like a mat really, so yeah, that'll do. Might put a bit of runner across there that just screws in that bit when I get some, just to hold it down, but if it ever needs taken out, I can just pick it up and take it out, can't I? Just unscrew it. Right, now we're going to look at the chair leg, the table leg. Okay, this is the chair table leg that I bought. Got it off of eBay. Actually comes with this bit. Now that is meant to be sunken into the floor, and that bit is meant to go on the bottom of the table like that, so you can slide. So it's sort of, it's hard to do this one-handed. It's meant to go like that, you see, on the bottom of the table, and that's meant to be sunken into the floor, which is a problem obviously because we've got a depth of about 12 mil, and that's a bit bigger than 12 mil. So what I've done, I made a little modification. I chopped the end off of this, so I intend to put this on the bottom of the table and have that on the floor like thus. And this, if my calculations are correct, which they're not, oh yeah, that doesn't go. Must get narrower as it gets to the top. That's a bit of a... So, probably going to have to cut more off. Yeah, I probably only need to cut that much off to make it work. Just that bit that's protruding there by the look of it. So, if I chop that off now, we'll come back to this in 2 seconds. So, if you want to circle roughly where it's going to go, I know I've got to find some screws that are short enough to go in this. The screws that come with it are quite long. Solve the table issue, took that bit off the end, stuck it in there with some hot glue and put a bit of silicone grease in there to make it easy to get that end out. Now it's as sturdy and level as anything, and it swivels nicely as well. Yeah, that's better. And when it's disassembled, it goes like that. Right, that's it for this video, guys. See you next time.